Kinoyalam ka Seng Sanhima All India Trinamool Congress Shillong Garo haka khatsan tereng kila pediang ngobha da ka jingkmen bat da ka baburam bi kilai pusan ngut ki dekhot bathamai ki bakun thop yo Whitson CH Moment General Secretary North Tura Block jang United Democratic Party UDP kinong krishan ka UDP bat Congress hanong ba Tura la pediang buram haka Seng Aitc ye ki dekhot bathamai da Lazarus Sangma MLA Chokpot TMC State Mahila President Selma Dishira bat ladon langru bongot kinoyalam jangani ka Seng hakani ka sngi haka jingkran pediang dekhot ikini kilai pusan ngot Lazarus ula ongba haka kerteng jung President ka Seng Aitc bat jung Dr Mukul Sangma udap da ka jingkemen ban pendrung dekhot ikini baro haka Seng Aitc ula khot la wer ya ki wei pan ki Rangbah bat ki long kumi bat ki samla shin rang bat kan thei bandrung hakani ka Seng ban wanra ya ka jingkela haka roi ka pa ha Meghalaya Ktem hakilum Garo ula ongru amtang kinong hikai ki balangat haka jinjar ka lanot henrei ki skul ber ki khnarit ki sliang jingnang jingtep henrei ka sarkar kala sai ki klemthung nong hikai hadu shispa pratani ki kam ki badang thali tangha South Garo Hills District Marwe.
Today some supporters from the INC and UDP party, they have come, and along with them some those who are supporting the independent candidates previously, they have also joined today. So we are very happy to receive them and we welcome them and we encourage them to work along with us as a family member. Okay. Joining with it will strengthen the party, TMC. Regarding women audition, only last week they have notified me as a Mahila Trinamool Congress like that. So I have started working with the Mahilas from the Khasi Hills and Janti Hills. We had a meeting there. Then I encouraged them and divided the duties and responsibilities to start a work. And I want to add one more. Regarding Garo Hills also, we have started working. Yesterday also I had been to Williamnagar to encourage them to constitute the district level as well as the block level.